In this video, I'll be showing you how to create QR code for Google Forms. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is once you have your Google form ready and everything, and it's obviously all set up, all you want to do is press copy responder link or press share at the very top right. And then it's going to show that, editor view is restricted, but responder view, anyone with a link can respond. So all you want to go ahead and do is make sure that is right. And then we just want to go ahead and copy this link. So we're going to press copy. Of course, just make sure it's published first, but I'm just going to copy it for now, just as this example. Then go to another tab and type in QR code generator free. Then we're going to be using Adobe's QR code generator. It's completely free. You don't even have to have an account for it. But then once you're here, all you got to do is enter in the URL for the form, which we just copied anyway. So now it's going to be over here. And now all you got to go ahead and do is press generate QR code like so. And then once you go ahead and do that, it's going to look like this. It's going to have the QR code, which you can scan and test out right now. And then you can have, the exact URL here. You can change the file format if you want to and change the color as well if you want to go ahead and do that too. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.